Yes, welcome back again. Yeah, my name is Joe Fox at here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make emotional R&B type beat. Yeah, it sounds like when someone feels so sad. Yeah, so how yeah they just create an emotional song. So as you see here, I already arranged this my beat. So I'm going to show you how I create it from one pattern to another. So let's go. Yeah, so the tempo here as you see is 93. So the first thing I play here, it is my piano, piano, so the piano, and I use a G major. So simply I start like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. After that I just add also a piano, but it is loads now, so I just take the third notes upward above, as you see here. Then I add a bass line in, in, in this chord, so sound like this one. I just need a new sound. Yeah, sound good, magic as you see. So after that I just play a piano also, but I just make this chord sound really good. I just add my pedal note here as you see here, and D and G. Just add my pedal note, so simply sound good like this one. Yeah, simple like that. So sometimes if you want to your chord sound really interesting, I should know some techniques. So I'll come with tutorials to teach you how you can make your chord sound interesting. So after that I just copy and paste it for the first melody to this piano. It is called piano. Yeah, simple like this one. After that I play this one grand piano, and I just follow my chord progression as you see. So that's simple, you see. Yeah, just the thing needed here, it is your creativity. What you plan to sound to design your sound. So after that I just add my bass line, is Ibanez bass. No, this is my guitar, sorry, my guitar, acoustic guitar from Morphine. So I just play simple like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. I just play this. After that I just play, this is a steel guitar from Morphine also. So I just play simple like this one. Yeah. simple like this one. Sound good when you hear my melodies. It's sad. Yeah. So after that, I just add this purity. It's called a one pad. Yeah. I just copy for the one I just played by adding in my pedal note. So in this, I just try to get a low mid in my pad, so I don't have to sound. After that, I just add this bass, deep bass from Citrus. So simple, I play like this one. Yeah, just for my chord progression. Yeah, the thing is that producing is all about your designing sound. So I just make for what I need. So after that, I jump for this piano. As you see, I just doubled my my chord upward octave. So as you see here for the piano and orchestra from Citrus. So simply both sound like this one. I just need something interesting on this. After that, this is my first drum groove. So I just play simple like this one. Yeah, that is my thing. So after my second drum groove also sound like this one. Yeah, simple. So I just play this one electronic guitar from Citrus. Simple, my melody. So this is my melody. So here. Yeah, I just add this one sliding notes. So after that, in here also I just add this one. Yeah, in the end. So after that, I just this is my second part of my beat. So my first part, I just play chord up to 9 to 8 bars. The second one, I just play for the 4 bars, and I just play the also as I play for the first one. So here. Yeah, nothing has changed. I just use here, and I just copy and the paste for both I played for the first one, and also for this I just add this one big scenes from silence. I just here it is. I just randomize it. Yeah. So after that, I just add this one reverse. So symbols reverse. So I hope guys you can enjoy what I am doing here. So this is the first part. Sound or as I told you, it sound like this one. Sorry, this one. Very slow when combined together. Yeah, but the second part I just play it in 4 bars. Sound like this one. Yes, for the things I add in my drums here, in my snares, I just add the reverb and the fruity parametric equalizer, yeah, so to customize the punch. So thank you guys for watching. I will show you how this beat sounds. So thank you, and this instrumental will be available to my channel, so stay connected. My name is Joe Foxer TZ, and here give you time to see what I made. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. Ciao.